As a trader, everyone wants to pay less brokerages, get more quality platforms, and get quick customer support when needed. We, Trader Signal, suggest you to open free demat and trading account with Fyers Securities, our fastest growing best discount broker in India. To open your free account, please click on the link in the description box below, fill in your details on the page opened and click submit. Our representative will soon contact you and will open your account.
Hi, in this video I am going to explain Bollinger bandwidth and Bollinger percentage B as trading setup. These are very widely used in the trading world. Bollinger bands. They are the volatility bands formed above and below the moving average. Bands widen up when the volatility increase and contracts when the volatility decrease. They can be used to spot M tops and W bottoms. Bollinger bandwidth. This measures the percentage difference between the upper and lower Bollinger bands. This indicator is plotted as oscillator on most of the charts. Bollinger bandwidth is nothing but the lower Bollinger band value minus the upper Bollinger band value. Then the difference is divided by the value of a middle moving average. How to interpret the Bollinger bandwidth signals? When the upper and lower bands are far apart, it indicates current trend is near to end. When the upper and lower Bollinger bands tighten, we can expect an impulse move about to happen. You should know that Bollinger bandwidth indicator is not to show the overbought or oversold conditions. In fact, it shows just the strength of the market. This is not a price forecasting indicator. When this indicator dips down, we can assume that the markets are entering into non-trending period. It means that the Bollinger bands on the price are contracting, and we might see that the bands are entering into squeeze. When the bandwidth moves up, it indicates volatility is increasing and the Bollinger bands on the price starts expanding. Now coming to Bollinger bands percentage B. The percentage B indicator reflects the closing price as percentage of the lower and upper Bollinger bands. If the closing price is equal to upper band, the percentage B will be 100. If the closing price equal to the moving average, then the percentage B is 50%. If the closing price is equal to the lower band, the percentage B is 0. And if the closing price is below the lower band, then the percentage B value is negative. This indicator can be used as oversold or overbought conditions and should be used with other indicators. Hi, here we have the chart with Bollinger bands, the Bollinger percentage B and the Bollinger bandwidth. How to trade this setup? For bullish, look for the price closing above the SMA, and same time look for the Bollinger percentage B crossing above the 50% line, and important is to see the Bollinger bandwidth moving up. If the bandwidth isn't moving up, even on the bullish signal, wait till it moves, else we might end up in the range bound market. For bearish signal, wait for the price to close below the Bollinger band SMA, and same time wait for the Bollinger percentage B also to close below 50%. If the bandwidth also start moving up, then short the market. And here is we can see shorting markets here. And here is the final slide. It happened when the bullish and bearish criteria met. The signal generated to catch the trending market. Thanks for watching.